Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomani. So guys, I'm back with another video. Today we are going to talk about how you can start a sandblasting business in South Africa. Sandblasting is actually a process of removing old paint or old coating in order for you to reapply new paint or new coating. For example, let's say you've got a gate that was painted. Now you want to apply a new paint. So what you need to do, you will need to sandblast that gate in order for you to reapply the new paint or new coating. So now let's talk about the steps that you need to follow for you to get started with this business. So guys, the first thing is a business plan. I always try by all means to talk about business plans in all of my videos because guys, it is very important for you to have a business plan. So your business plan, guys, will help you to plan ahead on how you will be able to run your business. So in your business plan, you need to include your target market. You also need to include your budget for the business. You need to include the location. You also need to know how you are going to market your business. So guys, that is very important. Please try by all means that you get help when it comes to a business plan. You either do research or try by all means to get professional people to help you with writing a business plan, because remember, each and every business requires you to have a different business plan. So make sure that you get professional help before you can start this particular business. So after you have done with your business plan, now let's talk about forming a legal entity. Guys, you need to form a legal entity for you to run sandblasting business. So how can you form a legal entity in South Africa? So you'll need to register with the CIPC. So after you have registered with CIPC, now you can open a bank account with any bank of your choice and register for VAT and other taxes. So guys, you also need to register with the Department of Labor, because when you are sandblasting, you will actually be interacting with different chemicals. So therefore, it's very important for you to follow all their regulations. So the third thing that we are going to do, it is to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Guys, you need to apply for permits and licenses in order for you to operate your sandblasting, to avoid your business being shut down by the government or to avoid being fined. So now let's talk about the Department of Labor. Guys, you need to reference with the Occupational Safety and Health Administration regulations, because guys, when you are sandblasting, you are mostly interacting with harmful chemicals. Therefore, it is important, guys, to do this thing. So because you will be sandblasting things that has paint, there's rust and all that. So all those things, they are very harmful. They are very harmful. That is why you need to make sure that you follow all their regulations. So now let's talk about the location. You need to choose the perfect location of for your business. You need to make sure that you need to make sure that your business is close to your clients, or where you will get most of your clients. So to choose the right location for your business, you will need to know what you will specialize in. So here are some of the things that you can choose to specialize in when it comes to sandblasting. So the first thing that you can specialize in, large commercial or industrial sandblasting. So that is where you will be sandblasting metal graders. So the second thing, it is smaller commercial industrial sandblasting. So that is where you'll be sandblasting buildings, because you do sandblast bricks and all that. And then you can also sandblast cars or motorcycles. So you can also sandblast signs. You can also sandblast gravestones. Yes, you can do that. So now let's talk about funding the business. You can always apply for funding from the bank or from private investors if you cannot afford to fund your business. So guys, after you have done all these things, I think you should be ready for you to get started to operate this business. So guys, please make sure that you don't forget to follow the regulations, because safety is very important. Because remember, paint is very harmful, so you need to make sure that you follow the regulations and you also advertise your business. So you can advertise your business in different ways. It can be social media or whatever, but just try by all means to advertise your business, and try to collaborate with companies that do something that is similar to yours. You can collaborate with panel beaters or companies that actually provide coatings for steel and other material. So guys, I will leave the link on my description so that you can be able to check the cost of sandblasting machines as well as their materials, so that you can be able to to buy the materials. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. It's weekend, so guys, enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.